And there we have her, our 04 GS 430. Pretty good condition. Oh, is that? Are those racing seats? Well, by golly, dang nabbit. Where'd you get those from, Jimmy? As you can see, installed, I have the Braum racing seats. These are, again, the Elite Series. Very nice. The color doesn't match perfectly, but it's close enough for it to matter. The reason I got these seats in the first place is because I really wanted more lateral support. And my son has snot running all out of his nose. Oh my gosh. Say hey, KJ. I'm gonna show this to you when you're like 10 years old. On to the video. These are Braum racing seats. They provide so much support compared to the normal seats. If you guys have this vehicle, you already know that when you're making corners pretty fast or anything like that, you're sliding around all over the place. I like to drive very spiritedly, to say the least. And when I do, I like to have support on the side, right here, support on my shoulders, sides, and my thighs. I also have pretty good support. KJ, go ahead and get in there. Show them what it looks like. Show him what it looks like to drive the car. Huh? He doesn't know what's going on. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Coming around to the other side, same deal, same situation. Awesome racing seats. They are tan, they are leatherette. Means they're not real leather, but they're pretty good regardless. They're standard fake leather anyway. The Braum tag on the side. I did install these thingamajigs because before I had them running through here and I didn't really like it. It was too hard to actually pull the seat belt through, but now I can just pull it through easily. This part right here clips off. This is an accessory to the seat, something that I didn't get in the beginning, and I really wish I had it after I bought it. So they look pretty nice, pretty good support. The sides are nice and firm. I haven't seen any wear and tear. I put like maybe 1,000 or so miles on them so far. And no complaints. I do understand that there are more expensive seats out there. I know, I looked. We got Recaros, we got Sparcos and all that kind of good stuff. All these different seats that are gonna cost you a pretty penny. Probably the same amount that I paid for one seat, you're gonna pay for two seats. Here's the rear again. It's got that black woven carbon fiber style material. Looks very nice. My kids do kick the back of it, but when they do kick the back of it, I get like scuff marks and stuff around here, but I just wipe it off and then whoosh, nice and clean all over again. As far as the seat brackets, we must talk seat brackets. So Braum deals with Planted. Planted is their supplier of seat brackets. Planted does not make a seat bracket for this particular vehicle. So what I did was I went and got some seats from Corbeau, some seat brackets from Corbeau. And you might be able to tell, there's a little gap right there because I drilled my own holes. It came pre-installed with holes that fit the Corbeau seats, which were like about ½ an inch off. So I had to drill my own holes. Also, I had to get some spacers because this seat sat all the way down there, all the way on the floor. You were literally sitting in the floor pan. It was very awkward. Whoa, cameras all over the place. It was very awkward, very weird. KJ is trying to show y'all the nice support that you would get in the holes. Show them something else, KJ. Oh, Lord. Show them something else. Kid friendly. He said they're kid friendly and it's pretty hard to scratch them because they're so tough. These are pretty light too compared to the stock seats. The stock seats weigh about 80 pounds. Well, not 80 pounds. I think they were like 70. These seats are like 27 when I weighed them. They say they're 25 online, but when I weighed mine, they were 27. The seat brackets, the brackets at the bottom. I can't talk. The seat brackets at the bottom are weighing like 10 pounds each. So You save a little bit on weight, but you will leave you will lose your heated seats if you have heated seats. If you don't have heated seats, you won't lose that. So basically, to take the seats out, it was pretty easy. There were 2 bolts on the front, one and then one on the other side. So 4 bolts all together. This bolt that this is strapped in to down at the bottom, that was the 5th, and I took the seat belt off of the stock seat and I kept it and used it. Let's get a close-up of the material. Whoa, KJ. Whoa. Again, good support. Awesome seats. I hate to say it, but it's almost so good that you can't even tell that you're not wearing your seatbelt. That's how much support you get. They really hug you. When you're hitting those corners, it's a really good experience. So you save on weight, you get the support. They look dang awesome. I just went to Firestone and got my free lifetime alignment. And I tell you what, everybody's like, oh man, where'd you get those seats? I'm like, on the internet. They're like, oh. You can't really see what's going on in there. But check the angles. Look at it. You see what it looks like. It looks awesome. Again, the color match is not perfect, but if you have black interior, I'm pretty sure black is black. Mine's is a little bit off. At first I was like, oh, I don't know if I like that too much, but then I definitely got over it when I put them in. Way better than what I had before. Another thing you'll lose is your adjustability. You won't be able to set your seats up and down anymore. It will be a tough situation if you have somebody that's really, really short driving your car and you're a tall person. So just to show you all what's going on down here, we have those spacers again. I think that's a 1-inch spacer at the bottom and a 1/4 inch or something close to it. Those top 2 spacers right there. You see my stock harness connectors down there. I still left them. I do have an airbag light because I did unplug the seat. And when I unplugged the seat, I lost the airbag, and I tried to put in a 2-ohm resistor and it didn't work that great. They look awesome, y'all. I tell you what, this is the best upgrade next to gutting my cats in my car. And KJ, what do you think about the seats?
No.
A no? Okay, let's go wipe your snot. All right, that's the end of the video. I gotta go wipe my son's nose. These are the Braum racing seats. If you're thinking about buying them, you think, oh, they might be a little cheap. They're not. Metal frame, awesome seats. Hurry up and buy. Just kidding, only buy if you want to.